Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can update your outfits in Dress to Impress. So for instance, you want to add an item to your outfit and you don't want to save another file. So I'm just going to, for instance, add this item. Just going to scale it down here, just position it. Like that. Okay, for instance like this. Then you're just going to go to your outfit that you want to save. So for instance this one. Then you're just going to select update and then press yes. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. You don't even need to save a new outfit. I said that already. I was gonna say I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.